Do you want to purchase anything from AliExpress in Pakistan and you want to pay with your Easypaisa or JazzCash account? So in this video I will tell you either you can pay with your JazzCash or Easypaisa or not. So for that just open your AliExpress account and just simply click on this shop section. In this shop section just click on any product that you want to purchase. Let's suppose I will select this smartwatch. When I click on this, now simply click on the product that you want to buy or purchase, and now simply click on this buy now. Now in buy now just select any product from the list available and just simply click on continue. Now here at the checkout option at checkout page, scroll down and here you can see payment methods. And simply click on add a new card. Just simply click on this. And now here you can see there are four options. The first one is Visa card, the second one is Mastercard, and JCB, and last one. Also scroll down at the bottom and you can see there are also Visa card, Mastercard, SafeKey, Product Buy, and JCB. But there is no direct EasyPesa or JazzCash account. So you cannot pay with your JazzCash as EasyPesa directly. But simply just click on place order and add the credit or debit card. You can put your EasyPesa or JazzCash credit card and you can pay with them.